Hi from Fishtown Websites in Philly. I wanted to make a little video to walk you through connecting your new Google Workspace to a Netlify hosted website. I've got a static website here using 11D, and I need to have the same old Gmail I'm used to. I know there's a ton of different options and workarounds, but right now I need this up and running in the next hour or two. I don't have time to research the technical stuff, so we're just going with Google Workspace. And I also know I want the Gmail interface. I'm going to need the Google Drive for storage and shared docs with clients, so this is what we're doing. I'm going to put up the pricing for Google Workspace. As you can see here, there's a couple different plans. I just picked the most basic tier. I just need one user, one email address, so this is good enough for me, and if we need to, you can always upgrade. My site is already up and live, and it's hosted through Netlify, and I've already purchased the basic Google Workspace monthly plan for one user. So as you can see, I'm logged into both Google Workspace and Netlify, and let's start with the Gmail side. We're going to go to the Google admin panel. You'll probably see the same prompt at the top, similar to my screen. Let's just follow the prompts. Click activate and continue. Proceed with the activation. It'll ask you for hosting, and click continue to get that info. This MX record is going to be generated for you, and then you just plug it into Netlify. So here's where a split screen probably would have been more helpful than flipping back and forth and confusing myself and probably you, but it's okay. In your Netlify window, head to the project you're connecting to Google Workspace and then click on Domain Management. Next to the primary domain, click on Netlify DNS and then click the button that says Add New Record. The info from the Google Workspace window will give you the exact info you need. We're adding an MX record, so in the Netlify window, change the record type to MX. In my case, the priority is set to 1, so use that for the Netlify priority as well. Copy the points to text into the value field of the Netlify pop-up. Hit save, and we're almost done. On the next screen, click confirm, and you'll see a page that says you're all set. Let's try going to your new Gmail. And yep, congrats, we've already got some emails to be immediately deleted. And then you can go ahead and customize your Gmail settings and visuals as you would like. Okay, I think we're done. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I hope that helped some of you.